Need to add a new client in Xero? Let me show you how to create an account super fast and easy. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to add a contact inside Xero accounting software. We start on the Xero dashboard and look at the top menu, then click on contacts. From here, you have to select all contacts and scroll down. Here you will see any existing contact you have already added, and now go to the top right corner and click new account. Then a new window will open. Let's say our contact name is John Smith. And type in the name. Now enter your account number. For example, I'm going to say J Smith, which helps you to search for them later. Now you will see many fields. Fill in what's useful to you, like email address, phone number, website, and you can also add notes like project details or payment term. Now scroll down to add their billing address. You can either type it manually or search for the address depending on your country. And below that, you can fill in bank details like bank account number and account name. There is a routing number as well. And remember, these are optional, only fill what you need, okay? And once you're done, all you have to do is click save and close at the top right bottom corner. And that's it. Your new contact, John Smith, is now saved in Xero with the account name J Smith. Super easy, isn't it? If this video helps you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you in my next video.